Hey there, welcome back from my Marine Engineering Technical channel. In this video, you can see maintenance and inspection of Fuji jet filter. At first, open fuel line bypass valve and close inlet and outlet bulbs of filter. And then close the inlet and outlet bulbs of filter housing. Set automatic drain valve, select the switch to open and release the internal pressure. After that, open airburn valve on the filter housing. Loosen and remove bolts, nuts which secure the cover. Set the iron bolts on the housing and lift out with the chain block. Secure housing cover at the safe place. Remove double nuts and washer on the filter element. When lifting with the element, take utmost care not to scratch on it. Confirm that the seal packing is still present at the top of element shaft. Makeup recommended way of cleaning is to soak filter element in uniter fuel gel for 1 hour or diesel oil for half a day. After that, blow filter elements with steam or compressed air. Confirm the slits of the cleaning nozzles are in vertical direction. Okay, let's reassemble cleaned filter element. Insert filter element into housing. Mount double nuts with the washer. Tighten both nuts carefully. After that, confirm filter element can be rotated by hand. To watch more technical contents, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go back. Mount the cover on the housing. Secure and tighten cover bolts and nuts. Fit wet pipe attached to the filter housing. Clogging of the cleaning pump suction strainer causes extreme vibration and strange noise. We need to check and clean suction strainer of cleaning pump regularly. Remove the bolts of the flange that the suction strainer located. And then, pull off the suction strainer from pipeline. Clogging of the suction strainer can cause damage to the cleaning pump. Strainer is inserted and restore pipe connection. After completion of maintenance jobs, set the automatic drain valve, select the switch to auto. And then open inlet and outlet fuel bulbs or housing and close bypass valve. Open airburn valve to release internal air of the filter housing. After that, switch on breaker. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Hope to see you soon and goodbye for now.